Hello guys, review tablet Realme Pad X. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. This Wi-Fi version without slot for SIM card, for LTE card. Okay, look, completion. In box we have only key for SIM slots. We have slot for micro SD card and adapter for charging with quick charge and cable Type-C. Okay. Device made of plastic. On the back side, main camera, single camera. On the front side, 11-inch display. On this side, speakers, second speakers, Type-C port, power key, power button and volume buttons on the upside. And on this side we have slot for micro SD card only, this Wi-Fi version device. Okay, turn on. We have display IPS, full HD resolution, okay, Realme Pad X, Realme UI 3.0, Android version 11.12, 12 Android, okay, close, and look onto the benchmark. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 and GPU Adreno 690. Good results in benchmarks. Okay, run GTA San Andreas. Okay, close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.